Hey my crafty babies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a notebook journal using resin. Now I took one of my dried roses from my dozen roses that my husband brought me, and I'm going to put them to good use today. Now what I'm doing now is measuring part A of the resin. I did about 40 milliliters, and then I'm going to measure part B, as you can see here, and I used the same amount. So now what I'm doing is mixing part B into part A, and I'm going to stir it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now when you first start stirring it, you're going to see that it's cloudy. That's a good indication that you are not finished mixing. So do what the directions say. Mine said for 3 to 4 minutes, and that's what I did. Okay, I took just a little scoop of glitter, and I'm going to mix that into the resin. And now that I got it mixed, I'm going to sit it to the side, get my pink alcohol ink, and I'm going to put about 2 dots in that, as you can see right here. All you need is 2 dots. Now I wanted mine to be a real subtle pink, as you can see right here. You know, I didn't want it to be too dark, so those 2 dots were just enough. So now I'm going to take the gold flakes, and I used about 3 to 4 flakes, and I mixed it into the resin, as you can see. And then I'm going to get ready to put it in the notebook mold. Now I only put a little in there, and I spread it around because you don't want to fill it up, because you want to be able to put those dry roses in there and kind of push them down a little, and then you want to go back and fill up the mold, making sure that you have all the dry roses covered, and you'll see that coming right up. Okay, let's be placing them in the mold, and then I gave them just a light push. And after I got them all placed in the mold, I went back and poured the rest of the resin to fill up the mold, just like so. So I did the front and back. So this have to cure for 24 hours. I'm going to put something on the front of them, maybe a nice little quote. I'm going to cut out on my Cricut machine, so stay tuned for part 2. Thank you guys for watching.